Hey friends, welcome to Roaming for Adventures, and today we're in Savannah, Georgia. So excited. We're heading to our first place to go check out. Super excited. Love the weather here and rocking a dress for the first time. What do you all think? Super nervous about it. I am not a dress person at all. But don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Really helps my channel out if you want to keep watching all of our fun adventures that we have planned. Look at that.
Why is it famous?
Wow. Oh my gosh, look at that. What? Oh my gosh, this place is stunning. I can't get over it. This is stunning. Look at all the details. It was started being built in 1873. I think I read. Yeah, 1873. Amazes me how they built buildings then and like get all the way up there. I am super excited that I had the opportunity to partner up with Waggle. I know my fur babies are being monitored and I'm able to keep track of the temperature, the air quality, and the humidity. And if the power ever goes out at our campground for some reason, luckily, keep fingers crossed, we've not had that happen, I will get notified via email, the app, and text message that the power has been lost, and we will get home as soon as possible to make sure our babies are okay. I'm so thankful for Waggle. I can't even say enough good things about them. Like, I have been so impressed. I've had it for a few weeks, and I'm just so thankful for Waggle. I can't say it enough. Thank you, Waggle. You guys are amazing. Keeping fur babies all over America safe and sound in their homes. But look at this. But while we've got this bench that we could sit at, let me pull out my phone so you guys can see what our fur babies are up to right now. Is Mr. Rocky being a good boy? Let's hope so, because he has some major anxiety being away from his mama. Hopefully you guys can see this. If you can't, I will do a screen record of my screen just to make sure you guys are able to see what I'm seeing, because he's so cute. There you go. There's my fur babies. The camera does come with a memory card, that just overlaps. So I'm gonna talk to them and see what they're doing. Rocky, Annie, what you guys doing? And what I love about this camera also, there's so many things I love about this camera. What am I saying? But another thing is it's magnetic, and you just charge the camera and you can put it in different areas. So when we're gone and our fur babies are at home, you know the camera's inside. But if we're home and we're in a campground where we don't feel as safe, I like to put it on the outside of the motorhome. And it's so cool knowing that I have an amazing camera, amazing company, able to keep an eye on our fur babies. Let's see if I could get them again. Rocky, Annie. There's my Annie. There's my Annie. Look at her. Hi, Annie. Hi, pretty girl. You guys want a treat? When mommy and daddy and brother and sister get home, you guys will get a treat. Oh, they're so cute. Hi, Rocky. Now he's over there. Annie just jumped up on the couch and now she's chilling. They're so cute. But if you guys are interested in keeping your fur babies safe during the summer heat months and you're traveling, or even if you just want to keep them safe at home and you want a camera that you could put in different rooms, definitely check Waggle out. And right here, I will put the link that you can go to with my discount code where you guys could get an awesome discount. I'm so excited. Again, thank you so much, Waggle, for making me feel better about leaving my fur babies alone in the motorhome. And don't forget to check out that link because Waggle, you are truly amazing. And I'm so thankful for the opportunity to partner up with you guys. You're some of the oldest houses. Wow. Oh, look at these plants. Wow. This area is so cool. God, these old buildings. I love old stuff. God, they still have the lanterns. Oh, wow. So pretty. Look at these flowers on it. 1988. Pretty walkway.
Alexa, there's a park for you.
I think I liked Alexia's way better. Oh, that sounds so pretty. Okay, do it again on this side. Love it. Look at that. Such a cool park, and it's so beautiful. All these old trees and just the history. Stunning. It's amazing.
My gosh. Okay, let me look. Let's
The hubby got us lost.
We were heading the right way. The thing was, it's...
Well, let's just look at it so we all can agree that it's the one way.
We're just walking back and forth at this point.
Yeah.
It literally is this way. What are you talking about?
Oh, it's the other way.
So we're gonna hopefully be able to eat dinner at Java Burrito Company. Hopefully. My seed oil app said it was a good one, so fingers crossed for us, friends. So I want to eat. I'm hungry. $4.20. This is fancy. That's mine because I can't have the tortillas, so I'm kind of bummed about that. Look at that. Looks so good. Yummy. And I have no idea what the drink is that the hubby got, but it looks delicious. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so good. Ready to eat dinner, guys. The hubby is loving his burrito. The kiddos are loving the burrito. And look at this delicious burrito bowl, packed full. And of course, what was this drink? Delicious drink.
Peach margarita.
A peach margarita. That was good. I don't even know where to start with this.
So first, you drop a forkful. Not that hot.
It is when it's a mess. Here we go. That was dad's sauce. That is so good. Oh my gosh. If you guys are ever in Savannah, Georgia, come to... Alexia just took it. Come to Java Burrito Company. It is so good. Oh no, lavender no. So the hubby just got us a coffee. It's a Mexican mocha. Let's see.
After the riverfront?
It's interesting. It's different. The more I drink it, the better, the more I like it. That's good, babe. After a delicious dinner, I'm gonna start walking to the river.
Well, why wouldn't they put it close to water so they could actually...
Look at all these love locks. Aww. Look at the boat.
I bet you have to go.
Makes me wonder if those couples are still together or if they've lost the key. What do you guys think? Leave it in the comments. At own risk. Huh. What the heck? Oh my gosh, like how far the handle is. Oh my gosh. These are definitely big steps and they're old. Ooh, these. What? Are there more? Well, I knew these streets were old, but
Yeah, these are way better steps.
Of course I held on. You think I'm gonna not hold on?
I don't know.
I don't think I go a day without tripping like that.
My hubby is super clumsy. These are very uneven streets to walk on. How old this is, oh my gosh. $1976. I cannot wait to hopefully get on the boat. I'm not sure if we're going to or not. How cool. Yeah. Give me coffee. So good. Oh, wow. Look at that. Holy camoles.
Buddy, can you see fish in the water?
Dang. There's even one behind it.
How's that boat?
They're waving to us.
Oh, so tiny, I can't see that.
Oh, this guy's literally sitting on the edge of it, it looks like. Way over there. See Alexia? See if they wave to us. There we go. Hey friends, we made it back home. I hope you enjoyed this short little video of us exploring Savannah, Georgia. We will definitely be back because that was such a fun place. It was kind of like a last minute, let's get there and go, because the entire time that we're going to be in this area, it's going to be raining and thunderstorm in Savannah, Georgia and here. And tomorrow we're going to Charleston, South Carolina. That is tomorrow's destination. If you guys want to see where we're going next week, just hit that subscribe, like, and follow me, and leave a comment that you can't wait for next week's video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, friends.